Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the RC and we're gonna do a little quick drive on Mount Umunhum Road. I butchered the name. It's a big word. I'll put the spelling in the video. I'll edit it in, but I think it's Mount Umunhum Road. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a windy road. I think we're in close to Los Gatos or South San Jose, around there. There's a old World War II radar tower up at the top of the hill. It's a square. It's a box shape. If you live in San Jose, you can always see that little box shaped object in the mountain. That's where we're going. And I believe it used to be a old Native American ritual site or a sacred site, if I read the history correctly. I think it's something like that. But I've gone up here like 4 or 5 times. The drive is nice. The views are amazing. I've been here around sunset. Really killer views. It's really good. If you guys are in the Bay Area, you guys should check it out. But we'll do a quick drive up there. I'm going to do a walk around because I have okay, it's not a surprise, but I got the orange brakes installed on the car. So I will show that right now. Let's go take a look. So I got the brakes installed this week. Hope you can see it. There it is. Orange Lexus brakes. The front ones are installed. The ones on the back, they're on back order. I'm hoping they're here in maybe in a month or two. I don't know, but the car looks really good with these orange brakes. I mean, look at it. It kind of pops now. I like it. And then when the back ones come in, it'll look really good. But yeah, this is what the brakes look like when they're installed. I got them installed at my local Lexus dealership. They charge $250 an hour, so I paid about $500. It's a ripoff. I'm sure you could get it cheaper at a indie shop, a local mechanic, but I'd rather just have the dealer do it. But no, I'm really happy with how it came out. It looks really good now, the car. Let's look at the other side real quick. I mean, yeah, it looks really good. I think you can get this on the IS as well. So if you have an IS, maybe look into getting these brakes. And then again, once the back ones come in, it'll be synchronized. They'll all fit in. But yeah, these are the brakes. They look sick. Really happy with how it came out. All right, let's get started with this drive. So yeah, install process was pretty quick. All they have to do is just change the calipers, and then they had to add extra brake fluid. I have the old calipers in the trunk. I'm just gonna keep them. You know, if I ever need to replace a caliper or something, I can just use the old OEM one. Ouch. I'm not used to wearing the hat sometimes. We'll kind of take it easy going up this road because whenever I've been here, there's always bicyclists, and there's a lot of them like blind corners, so we'll kind of take it chill. And no, it's not a dirt road, don't worry. This parking lot's a dirt road, and it's kind of killing my OCD because when I look at the mirror, I see dust kicking up, and I'm like, damn, I just washed this car like a week ago. Oh well, it's okay. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with the brakes. Like now, whenever I park at a parking lot, I mean, I always look back at my car, but now I look back and I look at it for a little bit longer because it looks really cool. And again, it just pops. So I'm really happy with how it came out. There you go, Sierra Azul. If you guys are looking to come up here, it's you can do hiking and all. And I don't know if you heard that. Those are the brakes in the back of the car. Or not brakes, calipers. since we're going slow, I'll show you guys the view on the left. It's really nice. And then I believe when you're, I guess, higher up the mountain, you can see the ocean on the left side, the Pacific Ocean, I believe. I don't remember, but it's really nice. I don't know if this, I'm assuming he's driving slow, but do Challengers not handle really well? Like, I mean, the guy can't stay in his lane. And he's braking at every corner. I mean, you don't really need to brake. We're going uphill. It's either, it's a meme on Instagram, driver mod. I guess that, I mean, look at this guy. He can't even drive. Jesus. Anyways, I think it's a skill issue. I feel like Challengers can handle roads a bit better. But I don't know. Someone who has a Challenger can maybe answer the question for me. I'm not touching the brakes at all because we're going uphill. I'll just let gravity slow me down. But yeah, I don't know. Could be driver mod, driver skill. I don't know. I'm not the greatest driver. I'm not trying to boast, but it's just interesting. This is with ASC off, so no pumped in engine noise. This is natural. Sounds really good. V6 induction is pretty good. There you go, see that little box? That's where we're going. That's the old radar tower. I thought radar towers are different. I didn't think they'd be like in a box. I don't know. But yeah, that's where we're going. I also have not changed the tires yet, just FYI. Just gonna stick with them for a bit. It hasn't really been raining too much, and again, I don't drive this car in the rain, but I mean, I should change the tires. It's not bad. It's like I said, it's still in the yellow zone, like the warning zone, and I still have tread left. But yeah. Look at the view. Slow down a bit. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Crazy. Load it again right here. Should have a good view. Beautiful. I don't know how long the hike is up here. It must be brutal because I think the elevation's like 3,900 feet. It's pretty high. I'm not the most athletic person in the world. I don't know if I'd survive going uphill. Who knows? I mean, I do work out, but yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of elevation to climb. Oh yeah, and also with the calipers, you can use your old brake pads. It's not like you're upgrading the brakes or anything. Like, they just took my old brake pads from the black calipers and just put them in. So it's just also some maybe useful information for you guys. Alright, here we are. So I guess I could drive all the way up, but usually, yeah, you just park here and you climb up the stairs. It's very aggressive bumps. It's pretty crazy. Park over here. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is Mount Umunhum. Umunhum. There you go, there's the spelling right there. Umunhum Road. I hope my pronunciation is good. Well, yeah, that's the road. It's not my favorite. Again, La Honda is my favorite. But yeah, it's a nice little quick road. I mean, I think this wasn't that long. I think it took like maybe 10-15 minutes. Pretty quick, but I mean, yeah, the views here are amazing. I'll just get out of the car and show you guys the views really quick since we're here. So that's Santa Cruz Mountains. The ocean is there, and then the Bay Area is all over here. Let's walk over, show you guys really quick. I mean, yeah, that's San Jose. You can see downtown from there. This is the South Bay. It's really cool. And then if you go higher up towards the radar tower, you get a much clearer view. And then that's Mount Diablo in the background. So you can really see everything from there. It's really nice. But that, guys, is the video. That is, again, Mount Umunhum Road. We'll wrap it up here, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.